high note, what are your assessments for your team's campaign this season? What can you say?
Yeah, I'm so happy because this is our last match and the team played very well. Okay, and no matter because we cannot cross for the top 4, okay, and we kept our position 5, okay, better than the last year. It's one of our targets, okay, but the most important, how the players improve in this season, this tournament. Okay, I think our second round, it's a very good second round, and everybody can see, okay, how our team play together, okay, play in the team system and in the consistent, and sometimes we did a mistake, but it's a part of the match. Okay, nobody is a perfect player, okay, but the most important, how you do, how you play after mistakes, after bad situation, and never give it up, never give it up. Okay, I'm so happy with this team. Okay, and I think if the team continues with this mindset, you can play better in the next season. And I think now it's a time for the players. Now it's their time.
Thank you, sir. To Lian, 14 of 39 attacks, so you left everything on the floor. You want to win for your school for your final UAE game. So, your thoughts about your campaign this season?
For me, naging sobrang successful siya compare last year kasi yun nga, ngayon nakita namin yung progress namin every game. Nakikita namin na may improvement within the team and individually. And for me, sobrang naging effective yung sistema ni Coach sa amin na need lang talaga namin siyang sundin at mag-improve talaga kami.
Lian, in Roma May, you had 9 digs and 6 excellent receptions. Being the team captain, of course, the libero, what can you say about your team's campaign in general? What can you say? Especially doing not only as a libero, but also as a team captain. What can you say?
First, syempre, sobrang proud ako kasi nakita ko yung progress ng teammates ko. Nang buo kami, lahat kami sa team na from first round to, from pre-season pa to first round and then second round, nakita ko talaga yung progress ng team and yung improvement na sobrang madami kayong makukuha sa kanila na nakita niyo naman kung gaano sila kagaling. So I'm very proud lang talaga and thankful din ako na nagstay ako and na-help ko sila for this season.
Thank you, Roma. May I the floor is open for questions.
Roma, for you lang as graduating, ano lang yung masasabi mong naging legacy mo na may iwan mo sa team na madadala nila sa mga susunod?
Kasi yung nag-decide naman ako na magstay ako is hinanap ko talaga yung purpose ko. And staying sa kanila, nakita ko yung purpose ko na i-help sila. As a libero din, yun lang naman talaga yung support na mag-give ko. Hindi ako makapag-give ng points, but andun ako sa kanila all the way. So, yun siguro yung pinaka-success for me, yung na-help ko sila na mag-grow sa bagong system, na magamay nila yung system, and na-help ko sila na ipakita nila kung gaano sila kagaling.
Ano naman yung next sa'yo after this?
We'll go pro, but you know, let's see kung saan.
For Lian, how would you describe your time with your ate Roma and how she really led your flight for season 8?
Actually, I'm super happy na nag-stay siya. Kasi actually sa totoo lang, feel ko noon kasi parang hindi pa talaga ako ready na maging, I think, captain talaga ng team na elite talaga sila totally. Kaya I'm super happy na yan, nag-stay si Ate Roms na kahit pa paano, siya pa rin yung guide sa amin. Pero ayan pa rin ako to lead, but I'm super happy na nandyan siya kasi yun nga, kahit pa paano siya, natulungan din niya ako kung paano i-lead yung teammates ko.
And on top of that, Coach, how would you describe the leadership in such a young Ateneo team, not only with Roma and Lian, but like the entire team, how proud of you, the maturity, the growth that they've shown leadership-wise, performance-wise?
Yes. When I start with the team, I told for everybody, okay, for me, okay, if you have experience, if you are senior, okay, or if you don't have experience, you are beginner, you are from rookie, rookie, okay, you need to show me how you want to play, how you can improve, okay, and if you play the same level for the senior, okay, I give you a chance. Okay, and I start to prepare everybody to play. Okay, be smart because the team can you. If you have opportunity to play, you can play. Okay, and I'm so proud with the whole players because for me, I don't care if I need to change one player. Okay, sometimes I think, okay, this is a good opportunity, like a block or serve or defense, but sometimes you need to change because the who stay inside go a little down and you need to continue in the high level. And I'm confident in all my players because I know them in the practice. I know how much I can push the player. Okay, and this situation, everybody can do because the senior so it's good because I need to play all the time at high level. Okay, and the hookers, oh, it's good for me too because if I have opportunity, I can play. Okay, I have a phrase about the whole situation about sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, but every time we improve. Okay, and for me, victory is not when you win. Victory for me when you get your target. Okay, because if the opponent win, it's my victory. If I play very well with this team, if I show all my possibilities, if I show how I did in the practice, how I played the practice in the match, it's for me it's a victory. Okay, and my feeling for this season, it's a very, very big victory because I can feel all players understand this situation, how he can improve and how he can play better time by time.
For both Roma and Lian, over these past few years, both of you have contributed and given so much to the Ateneo community. And on behalf of everyone, I'd like to say thank you for your service over these past few years. For both of you, what would you want to say back in turn to all of your supporters who have supported you throughout the past few seasons, no matter what your decision may be for the next season?
Of course, we're very thankful sa lahat ng Ateneo na community na nag-support sa amin. Kahit hindi man namin sila nakikita dito live, pero we know na andyan yung support nila and yung prayers nila nandyan. So we're very thankful talaga for those people kasi hindi ito magiging possible if wala din yung support nila. So thankful talaga and grateful.
For me, I'm very happy din na nandyan yung mga supporters namin, especially yung Ateneo community na hindi sila nagsasawang supportahan kami kahit anong mangyari, kahit matalo man kami o manalo, nandyan pa rin sila. And of course, sa family namin, sa mga coaches namin na like always, nag-trust namin, nagtitiwala na kaya namin.
Ngayon na the season, alam natin from the start with the concert disappointment. This is going to be a really big season. But now na-prove nyo na you improved from last season, from 6th to 5th, and got more wins. How do you see this program moving forward?
Yeah, the first time I worked with in the college level. When I was in USA, I worked there too. Okay, but it's not the first time I worked with women. You know, my career I stayed more than 14 years with women. Okay, I worked with more than 13 gold Olympic medalists. Okay, and I tried to introduce this philosophy about, okay, no matter if you receive money or not, you need to play as a good professional. Okay, and volleyball here, not only in Ateneo, but in Philippines, you can improve, you can grow up. Okay, if the mentality in the volleyball can be more professional. Okay, and you need to work together. Okay, when I start to work in Ateneo, I try to introduce this philosophy. Okay, you try to do your best, 100%. Okay, the other situation like defense system or this, it's up for the coach. Okay, if I change and return to Brazil and the new coach come here, if the players have this mentality, okay, I try to do my best with this coach. Okay, no matter who is your coach. Okay, you need to do your best with the time. Okay? And this philosophy is important. But okay, if everybody work together, we're more strong. Okay, this teammate mentality. Okay, it's so important. Okay, if you believe and you can go in the same way, everybody together. Okay, this is the most important. Okay, and I think I introduced this in the Ateneo.
To Lian, sa'yo, will you return for another year or what's next?
Actually, I'm still deciding pa. But let's see.
Alright, so congratulations, Coach Sergio, Roma May.